Right, for this final example here, it's a little bit more challenging, and it still fits within one of the strategies that I recommended, which is if you see factors here. Okay, so this is written as x plus y squared minus x minus y squared. If you look at this, you can either expand this. Okay, so if you expand this out and combine your like terms, you could also treat this as a squared minus b squared. You could treat it as a polynomial, where a and b are binomial terms. So you could actually factor this even further. You could say x plus y plus x minus y, again into the factors a plus b and a minus b. So you could factor this, you could expand it. The other thing that you can do, since you're finding the least possible value of y, is just assume if this relationship has to be true, if x is less than or equal to 0, but also less than or equal to y, the least value of y is when they're actually the exact same thing. So if you just let x be y and substitute that in, you get y plus y squared minus y squared greater than or equal to 25. And so here you get 2y squared minus, this is 0. And so in solving this, what you could do on this, you can either square root both sides, so this is a value of 0 here. You could square root both sides right now. You could also expand this out. Probably most of you might expand it out first. So you square the 2, square the y, divide by 4, and when you solve for y here, extracting the square root, you get y is greater than or equal to 5 over 2. Okay, so the lowest value that you could possibly use for y would be 5/2.